Hello and welcome to 60 Seconds with Sergio. I am your host, Sergio Cabanas, founder and owner of the Cabanas Law Firm and attorney at law. One thing in particular that I want to warn you, as the listener here listening to me through the internet, I want to warn you about the dangers of doing it yourself. People that generally do this type of research on the internet are more apt to think, hey, I can do an estate plan on my own. I get it all done at a fraction of the price of hiring an attorney. Don't do it. That's a bad mistake to make. Sometimes I'm asked by people, hey, do I really need an attorney to fill out this paperwork? To me, that's like asking a surgeon whether they really need a doctor to perform their surgery versus them grabbing a butter knife and a bottle of Jack Daniels and doing the surgery on their own in their garage. Maybe it'll work out, but chances are it won't. The internet has what are known as boilerplate forms, and these don't always comply with local state laws. This is one of the most important decisions you're going to make. Why carry it out the wrong way by making the mistake of doing it on a do-it-yourself form? I hope that information was helpful for you. Now remember, the purpose of these videos is to provide some general guidance on commonly asked questions. Of course, this is not a substitute for sitting down with an attorney in a face-to-face meeting to learn more about how the law applies to the specifics of your case. We here at the Cabanas Law Firm stand ready, willing, and able to help you in every way we can. So, if you'd like to learn more about wills, trusts, and estates and watch more videos relating to that topic, feel free to click right there. Thank you again for watching 60 Seconds with Sergio. We look forward to helping you and seeing you soon. Thank you and good luck.